In this video, I will show you step by step how you can get paid for taking steps, and when you're walking around day to day, you will then accumulate money and coins to redeem on gift cards and gift codes. So first of all, to do this, what we need to do is head over to the Play Store, and then you want to search for an app called Sweatcoin. Once we search for Sweatcoin, you want to download and install the top search result right here, and then once it's downloaded, click on open. Once we open it up, as you will notice, you will then need to grant permissions and everything like that. And then once you have granted permissions, that will then give them access to your steps. You can set a step goal of around 6,000 on the free version. And as you can see, the coins that you will accumulate will be in the top right hand corner. If you click on this, it will give you a breakdown of the coins that you've earned. And then what you can do is you can spend them, or you can withdraw them to your PayPal. So it's just that simple, guys. That's how you can earn coins from steps. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.